Hello Ninja Chefs. Today we are going to learn how to cook the best noodle meal for both the family and students living away from family. For our ingredients, we have the noodles, spices of the noodle brands, carrot, tomato, onion, red pepper powder, and green pepper. So we first start off by washing our vegetables as you can see to maintain as much hygiene as we can. We continue by slicing the pieces of vegetables that we have. I don't know how to actually slice them professionally. So if you're a professional, you can tell me how to do it better in the comment section, please. So yeah, these are my own ways of cutting the vegetables. Yeah, I know I don't look so professional, but I'm just trying my best. In order not to waste time, I decided to move on to the noodles. So I used tap water, which is actually clean, so don't worry about that. And I kept it on the stove. I waited till it started boiling. So that's when I started putting on the noodles into it. You can see I'm trying to be economic with the noodles, so I'm even putting the remaining pieces inside. And if you noticed, I removed the spices which can be found inside the noodle packets. Yes, because I'm not going to use them at this stage. And you notice that I use different kinds of flavored noodles because I'm a man of variety. When I noticed the noodle becoming softer, I decided to stir it. They look perfect. Now I came back to the vegetables. Yeah. So as I said, I wanted to save time. That's why I was trying to do multitasking, as we already know. So yeah, my tomatoes, cutting them beautifully. Oh, they look so good. The main aim is to get the vegetables into smaller pieces, so do what you can. Now our unseasoned noodles is ready. Okay, so we are transferring them into a new bowl. So yeah, we just transfer them, stir them, transfer them, and just keep on doing that. Okay, yet again we are back to our vegetables. So we just keep on cutting them. As I said, the main aim is to get them into smaller pieces. Since we are not all professionals, that's just the main aim for us. So when we get them into smaller pieces, that's all. And if you have a better way of cutting carrots, please tell me because I really struggled with these carrots. Oh my god, they are really difficult to cut. Wow, I forgot to mention egg and salt as ingredients. So anyways, we also break open our eggs, put them into a bowl. Yeah, just like that. And now we whisk it. We whisk, 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 whisk. Okay, yeah. So we now add some, salt to our egg. Oh my god, don't add everything. Yeah, as you saw, I didn't actually add everything. That's too much. Now we whisk it, and then we pour it over our stove. So as you can see, our egg has started to fry. Yes, so you notice that I don't make it fry as a whole. I make sure that I stir up the egg because we are to ensure that our egg does not stick together. We are supposed to ensure that they are in pieces. So as you can see, I've added my pepper already, and now I added my vegetables and now the seasoning. I'm adding the seasoning from the noodles. So as you can see, I kept on adding the different seasoning from the noodles. As I said, I'm a man of variety, so I use different seasonings for the recipe. But you can use whatever kind of seasoning or whatever kind of noodle brand you want to use. It depends on you. I'm not the one to judge that for you. Now make sure to stir your mixture, ensuring that they are in perfect harmony. Now you can see that I'm adding my noodles. Yes, so we add our noodles, then we stir them up together. Yeah, if you heard that, that was actually a knife that almost pierced through my leg. Oh my god, I was lucky. Anyways, let's continue. Note that the amount of noodles you add is just half the quantity of the mixture that was previously inside the pan. Yeah. Now our food is ready. Just look at how delicious it looks. Oh my god. It is way delicious than it looks. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. If you think I'm lying, try it for yourself. Subscribe for more, guys, and see you later, Ninja Chefs. Goodbye.